It's all going to work out. I promise. Alright. No, now you're tripping. Come on. Lay. You're okay.
Cute.
You're
Are you
okay.
talking to Daddy?
You're okay.
Having
Yeah,
conversation.
I will never eat you, no. You look appetizing. No, I won't do that. I won't do that. Well, that's not your cousin. No. No.
You're
What?
cute.
No, it's okay. I'm not going to consume you. No, it's okay. Don't be worried. Come on. Go to the other side. Go to the other side.
Come on, Luceal. Come on, my fat.
Stop panning. Relax. Daddy's got you. Yes, Daddy's got you. You're okay. You're okay. Yes, I know. There's a fox in the hen house. I know. Move your butt. Move your butt. Turn your butt, Luceal. Come on.